Skip was saying, you don't even want to go up there and sing. You know what kept running through my mind is when Will Ferrell in Old School goes and grabs the mic. Just go up there making no sense at all.
Exactly.
I think I'm gonna get beat up.
Yes, donkeys.
Shut up, dude. I can't drink while you're yapping.
Can't even.
I can't drink while
I
you're
can't
yapping.
stop.
Stop.
Usually blanched. Then the meat is added to the stock and cooked for about an hour to make a hearty stew.
Oh wait. No.